and air assets for the conduct of SADR operations. So yesterday, sir, our 8th Infantry Division was able to establish a tactical communication network at Tacloban City. That was yesterday, headed by Major Colonel Papa, and they were able to establish communication with us at headquarters of the armed forces. And this morning, sir, at 700 hours, General Villamino was able to establish an incident command post also at Tacloban City, co-located with the Tacloban City Police Station, and he is now co-located also with SILG and SND at that particular incident command post. Next slide. There's now ongoing retrieval and consolidation of cadavers in Tacloban City. As of now, we don't have